Hey everybody, welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to create collapsible accordion for product description, product page in Shopify. So what you need to do is you simply need to head over to your app store and install this Widgetic FAQ and accordion builder. So this allows you to, let me show you what it does. So if you click on new app, you can see you have this kind of accordions drop down menu and list building section. You can even change the theme, the colors and everything. So you can see, let's just keep it this one. You can head over to the next one. For modifying its title, you can add in here a title. Let's just say um, ABC for now, and click on next. You can see we have the answers in here. We can add in here a couple of things, and we have website links, and we can even publish it. So once you click on publish, you can enter a title. So I'm going to be adding in here sample. Let's just add in here actually a title which is going to be car actually, and I'm going to be clicking on next. So let me show you how it is going to be looking. So this embed is basically for modifying its different padding, height and width. You can see this is the accordion that we just created, and we can also copy this ID. Now we can go back, and this is one we got. And yeah, so if you want to create this kind of accordions, you can do that using this widget as well. You can create a new app, totally up to you, whatever you would like to create. I hope this helps, and see you in the next video.